Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now today I am just on a little adventure. We are going for a little walk. Well, it's not really a short walk. It's about an hour and a half walk. I am here with my brother this afternoon. You all can see him here in the distance. It's a really nice trail to take a walk. Nature. You are surrounded by nature. Dry leaves. You can hear it crunching under your shoes. The place is a bit muddy because of the rainfall we have been getting these past couple of days. We have some nice tea trees. Now this trail, it really is a lovely trail. There is a lot of tea trees. So taking my vlog this afternoon, and if you like it, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. And we have somebody here. Take any time. Leaving me all behind. So we monkey now. So we had to dodge a puddle of mud there, jumping over like some kangaroos. Breathless because we haven't done this trail in like a couple of months. But as the boss man in front of me, watch him there. He coming in here every day, walking, putting me to shame. And I used to put he to shame. Now let's see how the tables is done. There is a bird there. In Trinidad we call it the corn bird. It has this nice yellow and black color with a long pointed beak. I'm not sure if I'm getting the color here because of the glare and how I zoomed in, but just take him in. You know, this is what nature is about. Walking through this trail, you get to see a lot of animals, birds, enjoy the trees, the smell of the fresh air. And that's what's the life really about. So he's just eating on something there on the branch. Hello there, cornbird. Look at these little guys here. They call them bachak. Biting the leaves and carrying them to their home. And look at that. Nature is really amazing, guys. Yes. Now this here is our garden. Those peach trees, sorrel. You know, around Christmas time, this plant, it blooms and everyone picks the sorrel. You have the nice sorrel drink. Yeah, so this is what a tree looks like. Unfortunately, we had a lot more planted and you know, people came and they picked it and we were not able to reap it. So that's what happens when you have a garden out in the open. The thieves, the passers-by, whoever, I don't know, they passed and they picked it. Yeah, so I think that when you're venturing out here and you see a man with his little garden and you know it has stuff in it, try to leave it alone now because you don't know who planted it. You don't know whose garden it is. So don't make your hand fast and go and pick things that doesn't belong to you. Alright? Right guys, so we have reached our part where we have to turn around because if we continue to walk, it would have gotten dark on our way out. So hope you guys enjoyed our vlog today. Until next time, see ya.
See ya.